ADLED Light Limited is a high-tech company dedicated to R&D and production LED sign lighting, LED light box lighting, exhibition lighting, decorative lighting, and linear lighting since 2013. ADLED have strong technical power, and our associated companies have advanced development and manufacturing equipment, such as high-speed SMT machines, reflow soldering equivalents, and auto-soldering machine. ADLED has strict QC system covering from IQC, IPQC, FQC, and OQC. Also equipped many special machines for different test requirements, like salty and humidity testing, high and low temperature testing. ADLED stick to superior quality products and service. Products approved UL E507108 and E509049, and certificates of compliance for FCC, CE, and RoHS. ADLED can provide one-stop services, fast delivery, and competitive pricing. ADLED core value is focusing on our business, listening to customers' needs and ideas. We center on customer-oriented service, with the innovation of technology and service. ADLED's aim is to be one of the leader on sign solutions and linear lighting. Warmly welcomes all visit, investigate, and negotiate business.